Hey everybody, so today we're going to be talking about making this crazy looking natural centerpiece. Don't know about you, but I get the Martha Stewart Living magazine, and when I saw the front cover and flipped to the article, I was so inspired that there was pretty much no florals, but all just dried natural ingredients in the Thanksgiving centerpiece. So I was like, okay, this inspires me. You're putting me to the challenge, Martha, and I'm gonna go out and collect from random places, my yard, off the side of the road, just old looking things that actually in the end have a lot of really beautiful colors and textures. So I came up with this, and so I wanted to share with you today how I made this for absolutely free. The hydrangea I cut from my garden, a couple other things from my yard, but other than that, this is just a random centerpiece, but I think it is very fall and organic. Really just speaks to the beauty of nature. So this is a little bit more wild and outside my comfort zone, but I like a challenge, and so I thought you guys would maybe like to see this too. Gathering all of my elements, I was looking for things that had a lot of different texture. I was looking for things like this. This is clearly just a weed, but I thought the colors were so beautiful. So I got this. These things popped out at me. Usually you probably see them and be like, those are so ugly, but I was like, this would be a really cool pop of just texture in the centerpiece. Again, another weed, different textures, a little bit of yellow color. And then of course I have some tree branches. All of them look a little bit different. Your standard kind of oak tree. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with the largest pieces first. This is gonna be pretty wild. I am trying this with you for the first time, so I might need to redo a few things, but let's just jump into this. This is the end result. So thank you so much, Martha, for inspiring me once again in your magazine. I love it. And this thing will probably last a really long time because as things dry, it might even look more beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching today. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.